Welcome to the August Wilson Center for African American Culture. Welcome to the center of it all. To the center of it all. To the center of it all.
Here at the August Wilson Center, we celebrate all of the major arts disciplines: music, dance, theater, visual arts, and exhibition.
In general, just to give you an overview of the August Wilson Center, I would say that we're a hybrid organization that houses resident companies, and we're interested in presenting and preserving and shaping the art of African American culture using Western Pennsylvania as a foundation.
I just wanted to welcome you to the August Wilson Center for African American Culture.
It's just, words cannot express how important the August Wilson Center is to a community, and the word that I would use is togetherness.
It gives us a chance to be local, regional, national, and international all in the same breath.
Sean Jones, the Director of Music Initiatives and the Artistic Director of the Pittsburgh Jazz Orchestra, here at the August Wilson Center for African American Culture. Music is interesting. For me, the further out I go, the more I see, the more I experience, the more I want to come back home and share that with the people that I love and that are closest to me.
I see the center as a place where people can feel at home. They can know that their work can be displayed here among works of, other high caliber works of art.
So the thing about the August Wilson Center is that we have these centers all over. And the thing about these centers is that they're born out of the American experience.
I think that a big part of the August Wilson Center Dance Ensemble is our education outreach component. We go into the schools all around and share the art of dance with them, from kindergarten all the way up through high school. I think it's important that at a very young age that those young people get a chance to experience what dance is all about and what that actually does for them.
I think a lot of folks don't realize the impact that August Wilson has had across the country, across the world. So I think that the impact that he's having now locally, coming through the center, is more accessible to the community. I think folks can come in and get a real taste of their own history on stage and realize it's being done all over the world.
This is a first-class place, and it doesn't just have to do with the size. It's the way it's run. It means everything. I've never seen this, and I worked in a lot of theaters. This is comparable to a Broadway house. I mean, there are Broadway houses that are not this fine.
It's going to be around forever. It's going to make opportunities available for folks of all kind of backgrounds in the theater world as well.
We're one of the few, if not the only organizations in the country that has a resident company model where the resident companies are indeed part of the organization.
It's just necessary to create an environment in which artists can work together. And I think that's why we're unique as an organization.
It's an extraordinary opportunity for emerging talent in this area to be nurtured and supported through the offerings of the center.
Welcome to the August Wilson Center for African American Culture. Welcome to the center of it all. To the center of it all.